Try another one. Way to go! It's a monkey. Very good. It's a panda. That's right. It's a duck. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. Yes, panda eats bamboo. That's right. A duck eats corn. That's right. A monkey eats bananas. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Correct. That's the duck's house. You helped all the animals. Great job.